Hello, this is Shamim from SS Animation Studio. So today I'm gonna make this model by using pipes and curves. So let's get started. First of all, I open a Blender file. Okay, then delete this light because I don't need this default light. Okay, then go to the file and saving the file. Okay, save as and naming file pipes. Okay, and save as. Done. So I'm gonna use this default cube. So let's select this cube and press G and Z and 1. Okay, and press N and shortcut open and center. Okay, N. So now I'm just pressing tab and go to the edit mode and press S and Y, little bit thicker. Okay, and press S and X, again the same procedure I do. Okay, now I'm just deselect and select the 4 vertex and Z and Z. Okay, done. So now I'm going to press 3 for select face, 3 and face. Press I and insect. Okay, insect. So now Control R for the look card. Okay, Control R, look card, and again Control R, look card. So select this 4 one, go to the 3 face and select this 4 square and go to the lift tools and circle. Done. So these add-ons you need to install. So go to the edit and preference and add-ons. You just search tool, lift tools, yes, and select. I need one more add-ons like extrovert, extra and select. So these 2 add-ons we need to develop this model. Then press S and little bit smaller. Okay, done. Now press E and extrude. Okay, done. Now press Shift S and cursor to the select. Okay, done. Now tab out and press Shift plus A, go to the mesh and select circle. Okay, and press before doing that, add circle and vertex 24. Okay, done. And press R and X and 90 degree. Done. Now what I'm going to do, okay, press Z and go to the wireframe. Okay, wireframe, press 1 and numpad. Okay, numpad. Now press S and scaling little bit. Okay, done. Now press F to the now go to the press tab, go to the edit mode and press F to fill and press 3 to face and press I to insect. Okay, done. So probably not done. Press I. Okay, now done. Okay, so now select this one, press Shift this one. What is this? Probably I'm doing. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, now press X and delete face. Now press 1 and deselect, press 1 shift A and deselect, again shift deselect, control deselect, and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now control B and V. Okay, done. Okay, now press E, press A to select and press E to extrude. Okay, now press 3 and select the face and press I to insert and press E to extrude. Done. Now go to the solid frame, press Z and solid and press Z and Y. Okay, sorry. Press Z and Y. Okay, done. Now select the cube and go to the add modifier, generate, and select the bevel. Okay, segment 2 and amount 0.019. Done. And angle most probably 50 is enough. Okay, now right click and shade smooth. Done. So before shade smooth, I just add another modifier. This is a subdivision surface. Okay, and increase level 1. Now shade smooth. Okay, done. And curl. Okay, now again shift S and select to the cursor, shift S and select to the cursor. Okay, and press A, go to the mesh and select plane, R, X and 90 degree. Done. So select 1 or 7, go to the numpad and 7 and Z and Y. Okay, and press S and X. Okay, again press S and X. Okay, now go to the press tab and go to the edit mode and press S and Z. Little bit. Okay, done. And press 2, select this one and shift press this edge and press E and press E and Y and extrude. Done. Now again select this edge and shift this edge, Control B and done. Okay, now Control plus R for loop cut. We need more loop cut. Okay, done. Now Control Alt. Okay, now Shift Alt press, select, and again Shift Alt, this one select. Now press P, go to the selection and go to the separate and selection. Done. Tab out and this plan, press X to delete. Okay, now press this one and right click and convert to the curve. Okay, go to the curve and geometry and bevel, and probably it should be 2.1. Okay, done. Okay, so before doing this one, shade auto smooth. Okay, now this one and shade smooth. Okay, perfect. Now press shift and this one, and this is a cursor I have set there. And now press A and go to the single bird. Okay, add single bird. Done. And press 1. Okay, press 1, press E and X. Okay, done. Okay, press 7 and press E and Y. Done. Press 3 on a numpad, press E and Z, and done. Okay, now select this vertex, shift, and this one. Control B and V. Done. Now tab out, press right press and convert to the curve. Okay, now bevel is probably 1.2 or something. Resolutions increase 5 or 6. Done. Shade smooth. Okay, that's cool. Now here and press shift and select the cursor here. Done. And again shift A, go to the mesh and add a single bird. Okay, press 1 and E, press E and X and extrude, and press 7 and press E and Y and extrude, and press E again and press X and extrude. Done. Again select this vertex, press shift and this one and control B and V. Okay, done. And press E and select A and press E and extrude along jet, and shift A and shift N, recalculate normals, and alt E, extrude along to the normals. Okay, and done. Now press 3, select this face and control this and this. Now press X and delete the vertex. Okay, done. Now shift alt this, press 1, press 2, shift alt this one and this one. press P, select separate, and tab out and delete this word 1 and delete. Now select this one and now go to the edit mode tab and press 1, tab and press 1, select this one and this one, press 1 and press E and Z and extrude. Okay, done. Now press this vertex and this vertex, Ctrl B and V. Okay, done. Now tab out, right click, convert to the curve and go to the bevel and increase depth. So okay, probably 7 is cool. Done. Now press right and shade smooth. Okay, done. Now shift S and cursor toward origin and press shift A, go to the mesh and add plan and scale, probably 1 is 2, done. Okay, now this is a perfect. Is this perfect? Okay, perfect. And press 0 and camera 2. Okay, not this perfect. Okay, press 0. Okay, Z. Okay, and again Z. Okay, so press N and view, lock to the camera tool. Okay, unlock, press N, and now Ctrl B and select this one. Done. And Ctrl S and Ctrl Z and go to the render preview. Okay, shift A, go to the light and area light and Z and Z. Done. Light and 250 power. Okay, done. Probably Z and Y. Okay, and shift D. Okay, probably this should be in front. Y. Okay, and shift D. This one is important and disk is disk. Okay, and gain, shift D. This should be cool and disk. Okay, now going to the, now we are just material properties, new, and probably this one is very cool. Okay, done. Again select this one and new material properties, roughness is increased. Okay, and this should be okay. Done. Oh no, this one. Okay, done. Again, select this one, new, metallic, roughness decrease. Okay, select fan, circle, and this one. Okay, select this one, again, metallic, roughness decrease, and a little bit of diamond. Okay, select this one and this one. Perfect. Now, okay, this is perfect. Done. Go to the render engine and cycles and denoise, click, and probably sampling is 512. Done. And 512. Done. And go to the color management, lock, medium to high contrast, and exposure like a dip. Okay, go to the world properties, background, and this should be done. So this is all about our videos, our videos on modeling using pipes and curves. So go to the render preview and render image, and this should be the final modeling. So thank you very much for watching these videos. Don't subscribe to the channel and get connected regular basis. I'm gonna upload my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.